So you're in Trinidad and Tobago and you're thinking about Bitcoin. It's 2025. Crypto is everywhere, not just for techies anymore. You hear about it on the news, your cousin abroad is talking about it, and you're wondering, can I get in on this from TNT? The answer is yes. It might seem complicated, but it's easier than you think. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about understanding a new kind of money. Maybe you want to save in something other than TT dollars, send money abroad, or you're just curious. Whatever your reason, this guide is for you. No jargon, no headaches, just a simple, step-by-step roadmap. We'll show you how to get started, where to buy, and what to do next. We'll even check out a Bitcoin ATM. Yes, those exist here. The goal, give you confidence to buy Bitcoin safely. By the end, you'll know how to buy, why you're doing it, and how to protect your investment. Even if you start small, it's your money. Treat it with respect. Ready to join the global financial revolution from right here in TNT? Let's dive in and demystify Bitcoin Trinidad style. Let's clear up the big question, is Bitcoin legal in Trinidad and Tobago? The answer, yes. It's legal to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin here. There's no law against owning cryptocurrency, but there's also no official regulation yet. The central bank recognizes crypto exists, but it's not official money. They've issued warnings, crypto is risky, prices swing wildly, and there's no government insurance. If you lose your Bitcoin, there's no helpline. Think of it like swimming at a beach with no lifeguard. Allowed, but at your own risk. The responsibility is 100% on you. You're your own security guard and financial advisor. As of 2025, you're operating in a legal but unregulated space. This could change if new rules come in, but for now, you're clear to buy. Just remember, legal doesn't mean risk-free. Navigate wisely. Ready to buy? First, get your digital grocery list together. You'll need a valid ID, national ID, driver's permit or passport, and proof of address, recent utility bill or bank statement. These are for KYC, know your customer, rules to keep things legit. Next, have a Visa or MasterCard credit debit card ready for payment. You'll also need a working email address and a strong, unique password for your crypto accounts. Don't reuse passwords. Protect your money. Finally, have a smartphone with a camera to snap your documents and manage your crypto apps. To recap, ID, proof of address, payment card, secure email password, and a smartphone. Gather these, and you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey. It's not as scary as it sounds. These steps keep you safe and make sure you're using real, reputable services. Take a few minutes to get organized. Once you have your starter pack, you're set. Let's move on to where you'll actually buy your Bitcoin. You're almost there. Time to buy. The most common way is through a crypto exchange. Think of it like a digital currency booth. Two top options for TNT, Binance and Kraken. First, create your account. Sign up with your email and a strong password. Confirm your email, then set up two-factor authentication. Use an app, not SMS. Next, complete KYC, upload your ID, proof of address, and a selfie. Verification can take minutes or days. Be patient. Once verified, log in and click Buy Crypto. Choose Bitcoin, enter how much you want to buy, and select your payment method. Enter your card details, double-check everything, and hit Buy. That's it. Your first Bitcoin purchase is done. The process is straightforward once you've done it once. Exchanges make it easy, but always double-check fees and details. Remember, security first. Never skip 2FA. Now let's look at another way to buy Bitcoin ATMs. Prefer a physical experience? Try a Bitcoin ATM, BTM. Trinidad has BTMs. One popular spot is M6 Plaza in Piarco. Before you go, install a Bitcoin wallet app on your phone. At the BTM, open your wallet and find your Receive QR code. The machine will prompt you to scan this code. Insert your TT dollar bills just like a regular ATM. The screen shows how much Bitcoin you'll get, minus fees. Confirm, and the Bitcoin is sent to your wallet in minutes. BTMs are fast and private, but usually have higher fees than online exchanges. Great for cash buyers or those who want to skip online verification. Just remember, always double-check your wallet address before confirming. Now, let's talk about which cards actually work for buying crypto. Here's the tricky part, getting your card to work. Many local banks block crypto transactions due to regulations and fraud concerns. Credit cards, especially from Scotiabank and Republic Bank, have the best chance, but it's never guaranteed. Debit cards, especially non-international ones, rarely work. The local link system won't work for crypto. If your card is declined, try another or call your bank. But don't be surprised if they can't help. Always have a backup plan. Consider peer-to-peer P2P platforms where you buy from another person using a bank transfer. The banking system is slow to adapt, but persistence pays off. Have a Visa or MasterCard credit card ready and be prepared for trial and error. If all else fails, P2P or cash at a BTM are solid alternatives. Don't get discouraged, there's always a way. Next, let's talk about keeping your Bitcoin safe. You've bought Bitcoin, now don't leave it on the exchange. If it's on Binance or Kraken, you don't truly control it. Not your keys, not your coins. If you don't have the private keys, it's not really yours. Exchanges can get hacked, go bankrupt, or freeze your account. Move your Bitcoin to a personal wallet, an app you control. Great beginner wallets, Moon, Blue Wallet, or Exodus. Download one, set it up, and write down your recovery phrase, 12 or 24 words. Store this phrase safely, never on your phone or computer. If you lose it, your Bitcoin is gone forever. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. To move your Bitcoin, copy your wallet's receive address, go to the exchange, and withdraw to that address. Now your Bitcoin is truly yours. You're in control, no middleman. This is the real power of crypto. Next, let's talk about privacy and buying Bitcoin more discreetly. Want more privacy? Peer-to-peer, P2P, platforms are your best bet. Platforms like Binance P2P, Paxful, or Noonies connect buyers and sellers directly. Browse local sellers, pick your payment method, bank transfer, YPay, or cash deposit, and open a trade. The platform holds the seller's Bitcoin in escrow until payment is confirmed. You don't need to upload your ID for each purchase, just deal with another person. It's more private, but not fully anonymous. Your name is on the bank transfer. For true cash privacy, use a BTM for small amounts or trade in person with someone you trust. In-person trades are riskiest. Only use with reputable contacts. For most, P2P offers a good balance of privacy and safety. Always check seller ratings and reviews. Never rush. Take your time to verify everything. Now, let's answer some common Bitcoin questions. Still have questions? Let's clear up the big ones. Can you buy Bitcoin with cash? Yes, use a BTM or P2P with cash deposit. Do you have to buy a whole Bitcoin? No, you can buy a tiny fraction. Start with as little as you want. What about leverage trading? Avoid it as a beginner. It's risky and complicated. Focus on buying and holding real Bitcoin first. Do you need a VPN? Not required for major exchanges, but it's good for privacy. Start small, learn the basics, and don't rush. Bitcoin is for everyone, not just techies. Take your time and build confidence. The more you learn, the safer you'll be. Now let's talk about staying safe from scams. Crypto is exciting, but scams are everywhere. If someone promises to double your Bitcoin, run, it's a scam. Protect your accounts with strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, with an app, not SMS. Watch out for fake websites. Bookmark the real ones. Never share your seed phrase or password with anyone, ever. Real support will never ask for your recovery phrase. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Think of your first purchases as tuition for learning. Learn how to send, receive, and store Bitcoin safely. Don't let FOMO push you into risky moves. Take it slow and steady. The market is volatile. Patience pays off. Stay skeptical, stay secure. You're ready to navigate the wild west of crypto. That's your 2025 guide to buying Bitcoin in Trinidad and Tobago. We covered legality, documents, exchanges, ATMs, banks, wallets, privacy, and safety. You know how to buy, store, and protect your Bitcoin. Start small, use cash or cards, and avoid risky trading. Remember, be skeptical, use strong security, and never share your seed phrase. Don't try to memorize everything. Bookmark this guide and revisit as needed. The path from curiosity to ownership is clear. Your first step could be as simple as downloading a wallet or gathering your ID. You don't need to be a tech expert, just take it one step at a time. This is your chance to join a global financial revolution. Be curious, be cautious, but don't be afraid. You have the knowledge and tools. Now take that first step. Your Bitcoin journey starts today, right here in TNT.